Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to OnePlus Pad. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by tapping on I agree. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, tap on OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top. And if your tablet didn't rotate, you can do that now. So I need to lift mine real quick. And then click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Go back to Motorola. And thanks to all of those categories located at the top, choose all of your files that you wish to send. You can also just click on the couple of them. When you are finished, click on Send next to Selected located at the bottom. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on OnePlus. Allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code to connect. If you want to input this key though, tap on Input Key section under Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And tap on Receive. In this pop-up, you can choose what to do with your ads. In order to personalize them, choose Yes, I agree. If you don't want to do it, just tap on No thanks. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window at the bottom. And as you can see now, my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!